How to install a unique home design steel security screen door. First, be sure to verify that you've purchased the correct style and size for your application. In addition, the required tool list is located on the front of the package. Carefully cut the tops and sides of the package to remove the plastic covering. Remove the plastic and cardboard top piece and discard. Remove the top head jamb and set aside. Remove the lock side jamb from the package. Located in the lock box are instructions, one-way screws, and a one-way driver tool. Please note that hardware such as handle set and door closer are not included with this door. Your security door is designed to work with 2 3/8" back set hardware that can be purchased at your local home improvement store. Once the door is fully unpacked, you're ready to begin installation. To determine the swing direction of your security door, place it against your entryway door frame. If the hinge side of the security door is on the same side of your entryway door handle, rotate it 180 degrees. The handle should be on the same side. The lock side jamb must be positioned so the lock holes are offset toward the outside of the security door. To determine how to center your surface mount security door on your entryway trim, follow this easy guide. First, measure your trim from inside to inside. Next, measure the width of the security door from jamb to jamb outside edge. To center your security door, subtract the two measurements you just took and divide by 2. This measurement is used from the inside of your trim to mark both sides to center the door. Mark this at the top, middle, and bottom of the trim. Following this method will ensure your door is centered and square. Examine the trim surrounding the main entryway door. If there is a doorbell that is within the measurements taken for the security door width, it will be necessary to relocate it. Using the measurements as a guide, position the door in the center of the entryway trim and secure with supporting clamps or blocks. Verify that the door is level. Once satisfied, drive 4 temporary screws into the hinge side jamb. Hardware is not included with this model. Visit your home improvement store to purchase a lock set. Your security door is designed to work with 2 3/8" back set hardware. Install the hardware you purchase separately by following the manufacturer's instructions included with it. Attach the lock side jamb with temporary screws, making sure it is flush with the hinge side jamb. Next, place the top head jamb into position. Attach the top head jamb to the door frame with temporary screws as shown here. If the door sticks out from the jamb frame, it may be necessary to shim the door. Loosen the top temporary screw where the shim will be placed and insert the shim. Adjust until the door is plumb. Once the door is plumb, remove a temporary screw, one at a time, and pre-drill a 1/4" hole for the one-way screws. Using the one-way tool provided, install the one-way screw to the hinge side jamb and repeat this process for each screw on the top and lock side jambs. Finally, remove any excess shim material from the door. Be sure to relocate your doorbell to its new location if this was necessary. And that's all there is to installing your own steel security screen door by Unique Home Designs. Thank you for visiting helpmeinstallit.com.